Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. That is M3 Code Crunch. Hope you guys are doing well. So here we are with our new topic, that is types of errors. We have four types of error. First one is runtime error, second one is compile time error. In compile time error we have two types, that is syntax error and semantic error. Third one is linker error and fourth one is the logical error. So let's learn in detail about this. First one, that is the runtime error. The name itself says that when we run or execute our program we get the error. It's nothing but the runtime error. So let's see what are the points given. That is runtime errors occurs when a program is being run or executed. Second point is such error occurs when the program performs some illegal operations like dividing the number by zero or lack of memory space. In case when we run a program or when we have attached some files to our program, or we have written some links, we have written included in our program, which is not the while running we are not able to access it. It is called as the runtime error. Dividing the number by zero, however, when we divide a number by zero, it's nothing but the infinity we get. It is not defined at all. So this is what it's given here. Runtime is nothing but it occurs when the program is being executed. So let's go with our next. So here we go with our second type, that is compile time error. So compile error occurs at the time of completion of the program. So it basically in the C or C++ languages, we first compile our program, then we go for the further execution. Compiling means nothing but converting our program into machine level language so that machines can understand. That is nothing but the binaries, zeros and ones. So here we have other two types in the compile time error, that is syntax error and semantic error. In syntax error, it is actually a spelling mistake here. It's okay. So in syntax error, it is generated when rules of C programming language is violated. For example, if we write int a colon, then a syntax error will occur since the correct statement should be int a semicolon. So syntax error is nothing but that we follow a step, or for example, if we take the mathematics, we have many formula, but we follow the formula accordingly. Like after, since a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, so we can't write it as a square minus b square plus 2ab. It becomes the formula of a minus b whole square. So same as it is here, if we write int a colon, basically in the C++ languages, such kind of languages, we use semicolon at the end. We can't use just colon here. So let's go with this second type, that is semantic error. Semantic error. There are errors which may comply with rules of the programming language but or not meaningful to the compiler. So let's see what is the example given. It is a plus b is equal to c is correct but no meaningful, but c is equals to a plus b correct and meaningful. So here we can say is that the logic is correct, like a plus b is equals to c. Obviously if we add two numbers we'll get the third value, but instead of in the program we first create the variable where we are going to store our output. So here it is c is equals to a plus b, which is the correct and as well as meaningful according to the programming languages. So let's go with our next one, logical error. These are the errors that result in unexpected and undesirable output which obviously not correct, like not detected by the compiler. It's occurs due to incorrect statements. Let's see the let's see the example and understand. That is, c is equals to a plus b. By mistake, c is equals to a into b. Synthetically correct but logically wrong. So logical error, since we have to do addition or subtraction, we can't go and do their division or multiplication. So this is what the logical error is. Since a divided by b is correct, but what we have to do, we have to just add a plus b, right? So we just can't do that. That is the logical linker error. So linker error. This error occurs when the linker is not available to find the function definition of a given prototype. So let's see the example. First one is if you write CLRSCR bracket semicolon but not include conio.h, then a linker error occurs. Let's see the second example. You write display dash what to say hyphen data brackets, then you write a code, but while calling return display like this, mistakenly then the linker error occurs. So here it's nothing but the linker errors is like basically in C and C++ languages. We first start with our preprocessor directives. So there we start with include hashtag include stdio.h. Then we write next step as include hash include conio.h, which means stdio.h means it is the standard input and output. Okay, like we take inputs, we give outputs, like printing, taking inputs, that all come under the uh, stdio.h. But conio.h includes what is this CLR that is nothing but clear screen. So whatever the previously, if the output has come, that will be cleared before the new one is executed or displayed. So here we go with the next example, that is display hyphen data. Basically if we give a variable name, for example, since it is a wrong, it cannot be written like this. Actually I will give you in further videos about the variables. So here it is, the display hyphen data is given, but while calling we write just display data, we don't include hyphen there. So there the linker error occurs. So this is about linker error. So that is all for this video then. Let's see you again in our next video. Till then, bye. If you like, please like our channel and subscribe to, and as well as share as well. So thank you, bye bye.